Hello students, I am Dr. Naresh and today we will study recurrence relations of Bessel function. In our earlier classes, I have taught you the first recurrence relation and we have also discussed the Bessel differential equation. But in this class, I will prove the fifth recurrence relation of Bessel differential equation. The fifth recurrence relation is d by dx x to the power minus n j n x is equal to minus x to the power minus n j n plus 1 x. It is very simple and short recurrence relation. First, I take LHS of the given question. LHS is d by dx of x to the power minus n j n x. Just do as the question says. In our question, here it is d by dx. It means we differentiate x to the power minus n and j n x. But here we have two functions of x and j n x. So we differentiate by u into v. Here, first differentiation of x to the power minus n is minus n x to the power minus n minus 1. J n x is constant plus x to the power minus n is constant. Differentiation of j n x is j dash n x. This is the u into v differentiation. Now I am taking common x to the power minus n minus 1. I am taking this term common. So minus n j n x now here we have only x to the power minus n and I am taking common x to the power minus n minus 1. So I have here x j dash n x. Students, why I have taken common x to the power minus n minus 1 when this term does not have common? Because here x j dash n x is the first recurrence relation, which is we have proved in our earlier classes. The first recurrence relation, this is the first recurrence relation. See the result, x j dash n x. So I put this value in our recurrence relation question. Here it is. See what is the value. X to the power minus n minus 1 minus n j n x. Now I am putting the value here by RR first recurrence relation first. It is plus n j n x minus x j n plus 1 x. Now here we see x minus n minus 1. Here this is plus n j n x, this is minus n j n x. So it cancel out. Minus x j n plus 1 x. Here x to the power minus 1 and x to the power 1. So we have x to the power minus n j n plus 1 x. Students, this is the required answer. So this is the fifth recurrence relation. For more questions and queries, please go to my YouTube channel Dr. Naresh. Thank you very much.